Today I'm going to explain exactly why teeth turn yellow, which types can be whitened and which ones can't, and the biggest mistake that people make that permanently damages their enamel. You can actually damage your enamel when you're whitening your teeth. So first, not all yellow teeth are the same. There are three main reasons teeth look yellow. Natural dentin showing through teeth are not naturally bright white. They have outer layer enamel that's translucent. They have the inner layer dentin that's naturally yellow. And as the enamel thins with aging, or the yellow dentin shows more, then the tooth or teeth looks darker. This happens with aging, aggressive brushing, acid reflux, whitening overuse, and in this case, the tooth isn't stained, it's thinner. So we're looking at surface stain. Surface staining is staining caused by anything that can discolor the tooth, such as coffee, tea, red wine, smoking, energy drinks. Those cause an extrinsic stains on the enamel, mainly extrinsic in those conditions. The good news is that these usually respond very well to whitening. You use a whitening on teeth that are discolored due to coffee or tea and you'll see a dramatic improvement. Now, on the other hand, internal discoloration, this is deeper. This is caused by trauma, root canal treated teeth, tetracycline exposure in childhood, fluorosis, excessive fluoride use, certain medications. These are much harder to whiten and they may require different treatment. Yellow doesn't always mean dirty. Sometimes it means structural. Can they become white again? Maybe. Let's look into it. So it just depends on the cause. If it's a surface staining, then professional whitening can work. At-home trays can work. Some over-the-counter products can work. These can lighten several shades. If it's thin enamel due to excessive brushing, aging, or trauma, or erosion, whitening can still work, but the results may be limited. Sensitivity increases because now the enamel, which is the protective layer, is shallower and not as protective. Overdoing it makes teeth look more gray. If it's internal stain, options include internal bleaching for teeth that had root canal treatment, where the tooth is opened and the bleach is actually applied inside the tooth. Other options include veneers. Those are covers that cover the front surface of a tooth. Bonding, which are fillings, or crowns. Whitening strips alone won't fix internal bleaching. So now here's the mistake I see all the time. People think if they're yellow, I'll just whiten more. But excessive whitening, this doesn't help. This thins the enamel, increases sensitivity, makes teeth appear translucent, and can cause patchy, uneven color. Have you ever heard of charcoal toothpaste? That doesn't help. That's mostly abrasive. It'll just thin your enamel as well. It removes surface, not internal stains, and it causes more damage and not more white. So what actually works? Here's the evidence-based hierarchy. Professional custom trays, which is something your dentist can do for you. They apply carbamide peroxide anywhere from 10 to 22%. This is the most predictable, lowest risk when it's monitored. You also have the in-office whitening. That's the fast kind. It's stronger peroxide. It's good for events. It could cause more sensitivity. Then you have the whitening strips. They are helpful for mild staining and they can be used when there isn't a lot of staining. They're limited to their depth of penetration. Now let's talk about what doesn't work. You know, I've seen all those TikToks and Instagram messages and talking about oil pulling, activated charcoal, baking soda scrubbing, turmeric hacks. They don't change the dentin's color. So why do some people never get that Hollywood white smile? Teeth have genetic shade ranges. Some teeth are yellower than others. Some people have naturally wider A1 to A2 range. Others have an A3 to A4 range, which is a warmer tone, kind of like the light that you look at home. And when you over whiten your teeth, it makes it look fake, creates mismatch with the skin tone, causes sensitivity. Natural white look better than opaque chalk. So can teeth become white again? Yes. If the stain is external, if the enamel is intact, the whitening is done correctly. But if the yellow is structural, you need a different solution. Don't think of whitening alone. I hope this helped you make a decision on what kind of whitening approach you want to take. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like. And if you want to learn more about your oral health and how it relates to your general health, subscribe, because most people never know that their oral health is the gateway to their general health. And if you like this video, check this other one as well.